Welcome to a comprehensive masterclass on selecting the optimal metrics for a Facebook Marketplace interview question. This is Bob, Harvard PhD and data science director at a top Fortune 4 company. Every Friday, we release essential interview strategies and tips that drive success. If you're serious about mastering data science interviews, subscribe now. In today's video, I'll be sharing an in-depth framework for designing a metric strategy tailored specifically to the marketplace unique needs. We will assess the marketplace objectives, construct a balanced scorecard, execute metric tracking, and proactively discuss turning insights into impact. I will also provide detailed real-world examples, actionable tips, and key metrics definitions throughout, so you leave fully equipped to start optimizing the marketplace performance. Before we dive into the example, let me provide a quick overview of the structured ACE methodology we'll be using to design the ideal metrics plan. ACE stands for Assess, Construct, Execute, and Discuss. During the assess stage, we will thoroughly assess the marketplace differentiation, user experience goals, pain points, and future vision. This context properly frames the metrics plan. Next, we go into the construct stage, where we construct a comprehensive yet focused scorecard spanning primary metrics, secondary metrics, and guardrails. The third stage is execute. We execute tracking of the metrics, analyzing the narratives behind the data, and spotting opportunities. Finally, we come to the discuss stage, where we'll open up a discussion for translating metrics into impact by addressing underperforming KPIs with initiatives to optimize them. The ACE approach ensures we set goals, strategically select metrics to track progress, monitor insights, and take decisive action. This structured process allows us to continuously refine the marketplace metrics and performance. Let's walk through the Facebook Marketplace metrics example using the ACE framework. At the assess stage, we thoroughly understand the marketplace context and will ask probing questions to gain insights, such as, how is marketplace positioned compared to Craigslist? Does it aim to provide a wider selection or a more social experience? Or, what does the ideal user journey look like? Is habit forming stickiness more important or convenience? Or are there aspects like registration bottlenecks or limitations on listings that seem to hamper growth? Or, thinking ahead 3 to 5 years, what role do you see for marketplace versus today? Expanding into new segments or transaction types? The tip here is to ask open-ended questions that encourage detailed explanations rather than yes-no answers. Developing an inquisitive, collaborative dialogue shows your analytical curiosity and desire to truly understand their needs before constructing solutions. Next, we zoom into the construction stage. When constructing our metrics scorecard, maintaining an interactive dialogue is crucial for alignment. Here are some examples of encouraging open conversation. Based on our earlier discussion, it seems like total transactions completed would be the most fitting primary metric, focusing closely on your core business objective. Does that align with your priorities, or is there another primary KPI you would recommend? Or, for secondary metrics to complement our primary transaction KPI, I thought indicators around user engagement and user experience would be valuable. Things like repeat user rates and session duration. Do these resonate, or are there any other secondary metrics you would suggest to build a more robust view? Or to round out our scorecard, I thought including some guardrail metrics around risk factors like complaints and fraud would be prudent to stay vigilant against problems. Would you agree those are important health indicators to monitor? Are there any other potential red flags I'm missing? By consistently asking thoughtful questions and soliciting the interviewer's input, you demonstrate collaboration skills and ensure you are constructing a metrics plan tailored to their real needs. Next, we come to the execute stage. Here, we can say, looking at the user complaints per transaction metric, we are seeing it steadily rise over the past few months. This is a good opportunity to collaborate. What factors do you think could be driving the increase in complaints? Or, increasing shipping delays definitely could be a contributor. We may want to drill down into the complaint types to quantify how many specifically mention delivery issues. Or, great idea to view complaint types. This breaks down reviews shipping delays account for 35% of the issues. It seems addressing the fulfillment process should be a priority initiative. Or, how do you feel about reaching out to users who complained about shipping delays and offering a coupon to improve satisfaction? This demonstrates diagnosing root causes, spotting opportunities, and discussing solutions. Maintaining an investigative, collaborative posture with the interviewer builds rapport while uncovering impactful insights. Finally, we come to the discuss stage. Earlier in the execute stage, we identified shipping delays as a major driver of rising user complaints based on drilling into the complaint types metric. Now in the discuss stage, we can explore solutions to directly address this root cause, since shipping delays are driving a significant portion of the complaints. What are some ways we could incentivize sellers to improve fulfillment times? Offering sellers a small discount on fees if they hit fast fulfillment targets is a great incentive idea. We could also spotlight sellers with fast shipping times to build social validation. You can say, I like this suggestion. Let's also consider requiring delivery time estimates upfront to set proper expectations of buyers. And we should also reevaluate complaints related to shipping delays after rolling out these initiatives to quantify their impact. Or, monitoring the metrics post-launch will be crucial. How about we connect again in a month? We can analyze if shipping-related complaints have dropped and adjust as needed. This demonstrates carrying forward the narrative from assess and execute into focused solutions during the discuss stage. In closing, designing the optimal metrics strategy for Facebook Marketplace is a continuous process of assessment, construction, execution, and discussion. By diligently cycling through the ACE stages, we can drive ongoing optimization. If you like what you learned today and want more helpful tips, click the like button. Want to see more every week? Hit subscribe. And if you know friends who might like this too, don't forget to share. Simple steps, big results. Thanks for watching.